How to add Roblox extensions on mobile. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Roblox extensions on your mobile device. It's a fast and simple process, so follow the steps. To use the method I'm demonstrating, you will need a Kiwi browser. So Kiwi browser is the best way to use Chrome extensions on mobile. So go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Click on the search bar and type in Kiwi browser and hit search. But as this browser is not available in my region, I'm not able to show you yet. So once you search for it, you will see a browser something like this. So go ahead and download or install it on your device. And after you have successfully installed it, you will see a home page. Now type the name of the extension that you want to use. For example, you can go ahead and search for BT Roblox, and you will be able to find the Better Roblox and other extensions in the Chrome Web Store according to your choice. So scroll down and find the Chrome Web Store page for the Better Roblox extension. Zoom in and tap in Add to Chrome. And that's it. You can now use the extension within the Kiwi browser. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.